Hello everyone, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, August 6th, 2026 at 12:46, and today we have our Day 1 Outlook update to look at for today. As expected, the SPC did it. I figured this would happen. Whoop, that's the fire. We don't do fire, but anyway, so as you can see, there have been a few minor changes here. As you can see, we no longer have a slight risk for today. We now have southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern and southern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas now under a marginal risk. So we no longer have those. I do believe we have this marginal risk expanded to include parts of northeastern Colorado and western to central Nebraska and southern South Dakota, so that pretty much remains the same, but that. And they've also extended this marginal risk area over here. It encompasses much of Virginia, eastern West Virginia, western to central North Carolina, and parts of northern to central through central South Carolina and extreme northeastern Georgia. So, and extreme northeastern Tennessee, if you can see that. So those areas there now have a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today's updates. No tornado risk, so that's good to see. Yep, today we now have a 5% that now encompasses southeastern Kansas, southwestern and southern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas and northeastern Oklahoma. Those are now under a 5% normal. The 5% hatched remains the same. The 5% over here has been expanded to include southeastern Colorado, and this 5% has been expanded to include much of Virginia, eastern West Virginia, central to western North Carolina, central to southern South Carolina, and extreme northeastern Georgia, and extreme northeastern Tennessee. So we have those areas now under a 5% for today. So we have Enid, Stillwater, Bartlesville, Ponca City, and Liberal remaining under a significant severe, and Baltimore, Charlotte, Washington, D.C., Tulsa, and Wichita under a 5%. So we now could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% hatched area, and 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible in the 5% normal area. So please be mindful of that. And the hail risk does remain the same. Actually, no, kind of doesn't. They now have expanded the hail risk to include parts of northeastern Colorado. So those areas now have a 5%. And like I said, we now have a 5% for southeastern Kansas, northeastern Oklahoma, southwestern and southern Missouri, and northwestern Arkansas. So those areas are now under 5%. So, which is good news. We have Tulsa, Wichita, Springfield, Broken Arrow, and Fayetteville under the 5%. So we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible in the 5% areas today. Going into the wind threat for today, the summary for today, it says generally isolated strong to severe thunderstorms capable of producing hail and damaging winds appear possible across parts of the southern and central plains into the Ozarks. Isolated strong to locally severe gusts capable of wind damage may also occur from parts of the Carolinas into the mid-Atlantic and northeast. So I do really hope you stay aware and stay safe today. Here's today's updated hail risk. Here's today's updated wind risk.
As you know, the smoke trails and travels across the winds and can bring us smoke from not only the local fires, but
no tornado risk for today, so that's very good to see. And there's today's updated Day 1 Outlook. So I do really hope you stay aware and stay safe today. Even if you are even though they are just marginals, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. Anyway, I do really hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will have my Day 2 Outlook out soon. In the meantime, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.